Hello guys, good evening to everyone. So this time I am just in front of the Patna Junction railway station, so we can see the view of the railway station. And I came here today to go Gaya city, which is nowadays so popular for Pith festival, which is in Gaya, and along with the Vishnu temple I have to visit and another also like the Chinarka Surya temple along with the Falgu river and Mahabodhi temple. So right now I am just in front of the Patna Junction station. So let's see the view of this station. Really it's a very unique and amazing station also, where I am feeling also better here after coming. And so let's see and explore together with me. So this is the view of all railway station, and I am going to show everything in detail. So let's see once again. Let's explore together with me. So let's see. So first of all, Jai Shri Bajrangbali, Jai Shri Ram Ji ki. So in front of the Patna Junction, this is the first and one of the most ancient Hanuman Mahabir temple, which is located just in front of the station, which is looking so beautiful and amazing temple, and many more devotees are coming to visit this temple. So this is the view of the station Patna Junction. Let's see. So really it's a very amazing and unique railway station and junction of Patna. So we can see the Patna Junction decorated very well, and our Indian national flag, which is also unfurling here. So let's see the view of this station. We can
Even this station was established as Bandipur Junction in Bandipur during the British Bengal government by the Britishers, and the construction was started of this Bandipur Junction in 1853 and established and inaugurated in 1862 by British Bengal government. So it is also one of the oldest station in India. So let's see the view of this railway station. I am going to explain in details about this railway station along with the painting on the station wall. We can see how the temple wall made and decorated very well.
so many stupas also made on the wall of the station. So let's see, this is the look of the station. This is the idol of Gautam Buddha, Mahatma Buddha, who got enlightenment in Bodh Gaya city under the Bodhi tree. And this is the Santi Stupa, which is built in Rajgiri, that is nowadays called as the Rajgir, which is also one of the popular. And this is the Ashok Chakra along with the lion capital of Ashoka, also made on the railway station. And this is the painting of the Samrat Ashoka, which was a grandson of the Chandragupta Maurya, also made here on the wall. We can see along with the Ashok Chakra and lion capital of Ashoka, also the lion capital of Ashoka, Ashok Chakra along with the Samrat Ashoka painting also made on the railway station wall. So really it's looking so unique. And this is the painting of the Aryabhatta, who was also born in Patliputra, who was a student of the Kusumpura University, who introduced zero, and who also taught in Nalanda Ancient University, which was built by the Kumar Gupta. So this is the painting of the Aryabhatta, who also introduced our like zero, and also he introduced about the earth is not located at the center of the solar system, sun is located at the center. That was also introduced along with the so many astronomers, things and planet introduced by him. And value of pi, who was a great mathematician and astronomer, who was born in Patliputra also, which was a capital of the Magad Empire. So let's see, this is the painting of the Aryabhatta. And these are the some places close to this station. We can see it look like this. Let's see, this is the view of the Chhat Mahaparv festival, which is so popular in Bihar, which is dedicated to Lord Surya and Chhathi Maiya, which is one of the most popular festival. And even the Chhat festival is also coming very soon. So even I'm also waiting for my favorite festival, Chhat festival, humbly. So let's see. This is the view and painting of the Chhat Mahaparv festival on the wall of railway station in Patna Junction in different way and style along with the Lord Sun. So really it's a very unique railway station also made here in Patna Junction, that is so beautiful looking this time. And this is the idol of Mahatma Gandhi also along with their flowers. So we can explore. And in this side we can see this is the painting of the Nalanda Mahabihar University as a ruins of Nalanda ancient university, which was built by the Kumar Gupta and many more students who belong from the Nalanda University, such as the Aryabhatta, Bhaiyanit Singh, along with the so many Nagarjuna and many more. So this is the ancient Nalanda University on the wall of the railway station. And in this side there is a Yachni. This is the idol of the Yachni from the Maurya Kalin. And this is the painting of the Chandragupta Maurya, who established the Mauryan Empire with the help of Chanakya after defeating the Nanda ruler and Nanda dynasty along with Chanakya also. So we can see this is the painting of Chanakya and Chandragupta Maurya, which is also looking so unique and amazing, and really is look like so beautiful here along with Nalanda University. Already I explained about also Samrat Ashoka, Gautam Buddha, and this is the painting of the Bodhi Bridge, which is located in Bodh Gaya city, where Gautam Buddha got and attained enlightenment there. Under the Bodhi tree nearby Niranjana river, which is called as a Falgu river nowadays, which is also popular for Vishnupad temple. So these are the all view of the railway station. So I hope all who likes my video, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. Once again, thank you so much. So this is the view of railway station. It's so unique and amazing, we can see, and in this time it's looking so beautiful and unique station. So this is the inside of the railway station. We can see how it is. So even inside on the wall of the railway station, the Mithila painting also made on the wall. So really it's a very So we can see the all over the station, everywhere I found the Mithila painting, that is also called as a Madhubani painting. Every station is decorated very well with the Mithila and Madhubani painting, which is one of the most popular painting, because in our syllabus we are also doing a study about the Madhubani painting, which is also called the Mithila painting, belong from the Mithilanchal, like the district of Madhubani and Darbhanga. So this time I am going here. So this is the view of the railway station from the stair and floor. So let's see, this is all over the station looking from here. I am going at platform number 8 to take the train for Gaya Junction, because of I am going to see the festival and the Gaya Ji Dham Pitrpach festival and fair. So only one day is remaining of the festival, so I am going to see and explore the Gaya and Bodh Gaya. So I am going from this way at the platform number 8 from platform number 1 side via stair. So I think still I have to walk some distance, so I am going slowly. So even number of the railway and trains are standing at the platform, and some trains are also coming and always going from here.
Here there are total number of platform is 10 in at Patna Junction.
So this is my train and I took from Patna and I am going to Gaya. So let's see inside the train during the night time. In this time there is no one inside this train. Only few person and travelers are traveling inside this train. So let's see. And after 1 hour I reached to the Gaya junction. I think after half an hour. So let's see and explore together with me the all over the city of Gaya, where I am going for Vishnupad temple and Pitpat festival fair. So let's see the view of the train. Only few persons are there and travelers are traveling. So this time we reached to Gaya station. So this is the view of Gaya railway junction. So we just reached right now at the Gaya station. So I am also feeling so excited to visit the Falgu river and Vishnupad temple here. So Vishnu Bhagwan ki jai. So how it is the view of Gaya station we can see and feel about the Gaya railway station and junction. Jai Vishnu Bhagwan.